panel's actually pretty good. This panel here, and I'd probably replace that or something. I mean, it's okay and get away with it, but you want it to look nice. This needs to be cleaned up a little bit. Looks like they replaced this hydraulic line here. So they must have had one blow, that's why it's all dirty all up in there. Sprayed everywhere. Needs to be cleaned up. Bump some metal onto the bottom of that for a blade. Bucket's pretty good. Looks like they had a piece of metal going across the teeth here for doing grading. But yeah, that's alright. Tracks seem to be okay. They were a little bit low on tread.